Do you have a travel fear? Come on, be truthful. Most people do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate your travel fear. Right now, I want to talk to you about how to eliminate your travel fears. Now, everybody has travel fears. No matter how often and how much you've traveled, you still get some of those fears pop up before you go on your trip. Now, there's a number of different ways to help get rid of and move past all of these travel fears, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite ones to do. First, you want to determine what your travel fears are, because you could just randomly say, oh, I don't know how to do this, or I'm worried about this. You want to make sure that you understand exactly what that fear is. Once you decide which ones are your most prominent fears, write it down. So the next step, write down all of those travel fears. No matter if they're big or small, write them all down. That way you get it out of your brain down onto paper. Once you put it down on paper, you now want to go through each one and you want to determine what you would do if that fear actually came to fruition. Now, you may require a little bit of research on what you need to do, or you may need to ask some other people that may have been in that same situation or may have some more experience with that. Make sure you go through and really detail what you would do in that instance. When you do this, it kind of takes the power out of those fears because you now know what you would do and how you were going to handle that situation. So you don't have to just consistently run through your mind saying, oh, I'm so scared of this, I'm so scared of this. Now you're just focusing on the fear. You're not focusing on the solution. So once you focus on the solution, you're going to have that power back. So most of these fears usually will not come into fruition. I know from experience, I've had some of them, but very few of them actually do. But when you know how to handle that situation, that's when you're going to enjoy your trip even more. So I hope this helps you eliminate some of those travel fears that you may have. If you want more tips and tricks, be sure to check me out, where I'll be giving you lots of tips and tricks all about travel. Now, when you do come to plan your next trip, make sure you have my trip planner starter kit. I'll put the link down below and you'll be able to download that for free. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put them down below or reach out to me and I would be happy to answer any of your travel questions. All right, so I hope you have a great day.